to go see a car, I get a flat tire. Fantastic. So, first thing you're gonna do is pump up the tire. You want it full of air. Hopefully the tire's not damaged. Yeah, it's not gonna.
Okay, that sounds good.
Yeah, you have to put 2 in 1. Still leaking. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is unsealable. So we're unable to do a tire repair, so we might as well do a video on this. So here is the jack that comes with the Honda. So put it under the jacking point by hand. There's a pinch weld to the lower part of the frame here. You get it right under. There's 2 notches here on the actual jack. And they slide right in between. So we just want to put it up by hand for now like this. Just by hand for now. So now we're going to loosen the wheel. First thing you want to do is loosen all the wheels on the ground. The reason you do that is so the tire doesn't spin. I guess you should be able to move the hand. These wheels are all torqued to Honda specs, which is 97 foot-pounds. You see how easy this is? Yeah. What does she need? Tell her I'm fixing something.
I already told her.
And what did she say?
She said, but I need him for a second.
Okay. Tell her I'm coming in 2 seconds, okay? Tell her Daddy's just doing something. 2 seconds. Now that the wheel is loosened off, use this jack, raise it up. This is called a spare tire. Huh? Daddy's. You want to come with Nana's to give TPO medication? It is.
Can I feel it?
If you want, but don't fall off.
I can't breathe.
Then you're gonna have to wait.
I just touched the lead. I just touched
Now we're gonna just tighten these up by hand because this is not a permanent solution. This is just so you can go get new tires or repair. In this case, it's gonna be a new tire. Alright, so that concludes the video on how to change your spare tire on a CRV. Sorry, Mama?